Welcome in this class. Today we are discussing about application of the derivative and uh, you can see here that if y equal to f of x be a given function, then del x be the small increment in x and del y be the corresponding small increment in y. If the point A is x comma y, then del x be the small increment in x and del y be the corresponding small increment in y. Then del y is f of x plus del x minus f of x. Yeah, del y is f of x plus del x minus f of x. Then we define the following: the differential of x denoted by dx. Differential of x denoted by dx is denoted by dx equal to del x. Differential of y denoted by dy is defined by dy equal f dash x times dx, that is dy equal dy by dx times del x, and del x equal to dx, that is relatively small when compared within x, that tentatively they are equal, but dy and del y, that dy approximation they have a good approximation with del y. Dy and del y are not exactly the same, but in general, in case of a small relatively small quantity, dx equal to del x. So we need this for calculation in our study. Actual change in y is del y, which is f of x plus del x minus f of x. Actual change in y is del y. Approximate change in y is dy, that is f dash x dx. Remember, actual change is f of x plus del x minus f of x. Approximate change in y is dy, that is f dash x times dx. Error in the estimation is actual minus approximate, that del y minus dy. Then percentage error in the estimate is del y minus dy by y times 100%. These are the important case. Now here are some working rules. Take the initial value of the independent variable. X is independent, y is dependent variable, and change the values as x plus del x. It will be given x and x plus del x. You need to identify from some values changes to another value, that is change is del x and that initial value is x. Find del x and assume that dx equal to del x. You have to assume, as I already mentioned that. Find dy by dx, that derivative you have to find, that is f dash x, to find of the given relation y equal to f of x. Find the value of dy by dx at the given point. Find the dy by using the relation dy equal to dy by dx into dx, or f dash x into dx. We have to find. Put del y equal to dy to obtain an approximate change in y. So these are the working rules. Now let's discuss from an example. Compute del y, dy and del y minus dy when y equal to x square by 2 plus 3x, x equal to 2, dx equal to 0.5. This is the question. So firstly, we have given y equal to x square by 2 plus 3x. We need to calculate del y. That's why y plus del y equal to x plus del x by whole square by 2 plus 3 times x plus del x. Here I have expanded y plus del y. Then del y is what? Simply we know that del y equal f of x plus del x minus f of x. We can do this directly also. Here one step more I have shown here. And del y is minus y, that you have to subtract this y. Y is x square by 2 plus 3x. This is subtracted. This is f of x, the y. Then a plus b whole square, a square 2ab b square by 2 plus 3 times x, 3 times del x of this step, minus x by 2 minus 3x. then x is separating from all these terms, three terms, x square by 2, 2x del x by 2 is x del x, and del x square by 2, that is third part, plus 3x plus 3 del x minus x square by 2 minus 3x got, sorry, 3x got, these two got, and minus x square by 2, x square by 2 is cancelled there, and in these three terms del x is common, here remaining x plus del x by 2 plus 3, or directly also you can put the value, no matter about that. So what we have given, x is 2, let's see, del x or dx is equal to 0.5. so when x is equal to 2, dx equal to 0.5 and dx equal to del x, that is taken. That's why del y equal 0.5 times 2 plus 0.5 by 2 plus 3, we will get 2.625. And we know that dy equal f dash x dx. F dash x means we have to find the derivative of this. What is f dash x? Let's see, that is 2x by 2 plus 3. That's why it is x plus 3. So x plus 3 times dx, and x is 2, 2 plus 3 times 0.5, that is 2.5. So del y is 2.625, dy is 2.5, del y is the exact, dy is approximate value, del y minus dy is 2.625 minus 2.5, that is 0.125 is the answer. This way we can find this. Now the second question is, find an approximate change in the value, approximate change, remember this, approximate change in the value, volume, not value, volume of a cube of a side x meter caused by increasing the sides by 1%. What is the percentage increment in the volume? Remember, approximate change in the volume, we have to find side is x meter given when it is increased by 1%. So here side of cube is x meter, no doubt we know that, and b be the volume of the cube, then b is x cube, because the volume of cube is L into B into S, that or L cube or X cube. Then we have to find the derivative with respect to S, dv equal 3x square times dx. Now 1% of side equal 1% of x equal to 0.01x. This is del x dx 0.01x. Yeah, here 1% side is increased, that is change. Change means del y, del x is dx, that 1% of x is 0.01x. so we find dx also or del x also. Now approximate increase in volume is dv is f dash x dx, that 3x square dx, then 3x square times dx is what, 0.01x, that is 0.03x cube. This x square and x is x cube, and required increment in volume is percentage, required percentage increment in volume is this value, approximate increment 0.03x cube by the volume is x cube into 100%, that is 3% increment we can find. Next, use differentials to approximate the change in x cube is x changes from 5 to 5. We know that x cube is y, dy is 3x square dx, no doubt we can find. Here x equal to 5, that initial value is x, del x is del x is the difference, that is 0.01, which is dx. Now approximate increasing in y equal to dy, that is f dash x into dx. F dash x is 3x square, 3 into 5 square into dx is 0.01 equal to 0.75. Answer. Now the next question, find an approximate change in 1 by x is x changes from 1 to 0.98, that is decreasing in. Y is 1 by x, then dy is minus 1 by x square dx, no doubt we can find. When x equal to 1, del x is dx, that is second to first we have to subtract, minus 0.02 we obtain. Approximate change in y is dy, that is f dash x into dx, that is f dash x is minus 1 by x square into dx equal minus x square is 1 minus 1 by 1 square times dx is minus 0.02 minus minus plus, and their product is 0.02, which is the required answer. Now the question is, important question is, a circular copper plate is heated so that its radius increases from 5 centimeter to 5.06 centimeter. This to this is initial, this is after increment. Find the approximate increase in area, approximate increase in area y, and also the actual increase in area, approximate and actual, approximate dy, actual del y. We have to find both. So first of all, we have to suppose according to the question, r be the radius and a be the area of the circular copper plate. We have supposed the symbol a and r. Then a is pi r square and dA is 2 pi r dr, the derivative with respect to r, dA equal to 2 pi r dr, this condition. And when r equal to 5, del r equal to change their difference, this to this, 5.06 minus 5 equal to 0.06 centimeter, which is dr. Then approximate increase in area is dA, that is 2 pi r dr here, and 2 pi itself pi, r is 5 and dr is 0.06. You will get dA equal to 0.6 pi centimeter square. An actual increase in area, that is del A equal to f x plus, here I have shown del y equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So this pi r plus del r square minus pi r square, pi is common, r plus del r square minus r square, expanding this a square to ab b square from, then this cancel, pi 2r del r plus del r square. You can put the value of del r and r respectively, 5 to 5 into 0.06 plus 0.06 whole square. By using calculator, you can find the value 0.6036 pi centimeter square. Therefore del A or actual increase in area is 0.6036 pi centimeter square. Yes, so we have to find actual and approximate. We find this. Now the next important question is, find the approximate increase in the surface area. If the age increases from 10 to 10.01 cm, also calculate the percentage error in the use of differential approximation. You have to find that. So let x be the side and s be the surface area of a cube. S equals 6x square, so ds equal 12x dx, 6 to the 12x and dx. Yeah, with respect to x we have differentiate this. And when we have given x is 10, del x is 10.01 minus 10, that is 0.01 cm, that is dx. Yeah. Now approximate increase in the surface area is ds equal f dash x dx equal 12x dx. When x is side is 10, x is 10, and 12 into 10 into 0.01, that is 1.2 centimeter square. And again, actual increase in area is del s, f of x plus h minus f of x, 6 times x plus del x whole square minus 6s square. 6 is common, expanding this, x cancel, we obtain this, and del x, the value of del x and x we keep here, and we obtain 1.2006 centimeter square. Now you have to find the error. You may ask, okay, yeah, yes equal to 6x square, 6 times 10 square 600, that is yes, here I keep that value. Anyway, error is actual minus approximate, del s minus ds, 1.2006 minus 1.2, that is 0.0006 centimeter square, and percentage error is this error by the surface, initial surface area, that is 6x square, when x is 10, that is 600, so 0.006 by 600 into 100%, and it will be 0.0001%, that is the error. Now the next part we are discussing, Find the approximate increase in the volume of a sphere. Find the approximate increase in the volume of a sphere when its radius increases from 2 to 2.1. This is the change. Find also the actual increase and compare two values. Actual increase also we have to find, approximate also we have to find, and we have to compare their two values. Yeah. So first of all, for the volume of the sphere, let R be the radius and B be the volume of the sphere. You know the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then derivative with respect to r, dv equal 4 by 3 pi. R cube is 3r square dr, 3 cancel, pi 4 pi r square dr. This is the derivative of f dash x dr. So when r is 2, del r is dr equal 2.1 minus 2, that is 0.1. It is also clear that approximate increase in the volume is dv. dv is this 4 pi r square into dr, that is 4 pi r square is 2 square times 0.1. This is dr. Therefore dv is 1.6 pi centimeter cube. Actual increase in the volume is del v. Del v is f of x plus h minus f of x. We know this form. That's why 4 by 3 pi is common, r plus del r cube minus r cube, because the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is common, so r plus del r cube minus r cube, it becomes like this. So putting the value of r plus del r is 2.1 cube and r cube is 2 cube. In this sort way also we can find, okay, by the calculation 5.049 by 3 pi centimeter cube is the actual increase in the volume. Rate of two volume, rate means dv by, that is approximate by actual, that you can put the value and you find this way.